Saksham, come.
Oh my god.
Like this?
Ew, it's in my nose.
Oh, sorry, dear.
I do it, okay?
So slowly, Gora. So slowly. Okay, slowly make them, okay?
Yeah. That this will be a little help for you though, yeah?
Yes, you're my little
And
helper.
can you put it in the oven?
Of course.
Yeah. This is my birthday.
Today? No. Chanu, wake up. भनेको वाउ सक्सँग दामी भिडियो आछ त झन् हाई गाइस गुड मर्निङ अनि उता निकी दिदीको घर चाहिँ साथीहरू आउनुभएको छ कि पहिला स्कुलको अनि गर्दा चाहिँ अघि बिचारा हिजो बेलुका मेसेज गरेर आऊ भेट्ने भन्दैछ भनेर भन्दै थियो अनि गर्दा चाहिँ अब चाहिँ सक्छौँ एकछिनमा जाने भेट्न तर म चाहिँ बिफोर वी गो आई वान्ट बेक एउटा केक अनि गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ अब म चाहिँ केक बनाउन सुरु गर्छु Yeah.
Cleaning this toilet also.
Hmm?
I'm cleaning.
No, that's fine, Sakshi. We'll do that together, okay?
I just cleaned this now. Mommy, look. Look. I just cleaned.
Oh, कति good boy भएको मेरो Saksham. Yeah, you're my little helper.
Mommy, what was this sponge?
You can take that sponge, Saksham.
Huh? There. I just make rubbish, okay?
Okay. Sugar. Milk. Vegetable oil.
Mom, is that helping?
Yes, I know. Thank you. Vanilla.
Give me, Mommy.
के गर्ने तिमी ओके थ्याङ्क यू सक्छ यहाँ चाहिँ केक फ्लोर अनि कोको पाउडर अनि पिन्च अफ सल्ट छ
Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi, and I'm making cake, yeah?
I'm making black forest cake today.
Yeah, because I'm making banana cake.
Not banana, baby. You're making black forest.
Cake?
Yeah.
I'm making chocolate cake.
Yeah, chocolate black forest cake, and I'm helping my mommy.
Hey, Mommy. And what do you need to do?
We just have to mix it.
And try and mix like this.
Okay.
Also.
Okay.
Can I hold that? Can I hold that, please? You wash it. Hey. Hi.
Couldn't let mommy want that me.
Why?
Okay. So to check.
Oh, I'll do like that.
No, 1 second.
And take him. Close the door. I am Daddy baby. Okay? Close the door.
We're not making this for daddy, baby.
No, it's for everyone.
We're making this for mommy's friends.
Why?
What do you mean why?
I do it.
Because
I
mom
do it.
गर्छु कि that bubble हुन्छ एकछिन न. I'll let you do it, okay?
Okay.
You need to mix this
But
very.
I'm gonna put sugar. When but the
Mom,
one is
अघि
right.
मम्मीले हालिसकेछ baby sugar, okay? You can mix it if you want to.
Huh?
You can mix it more. No, but up to the side मा राख्नु.
Huh?
Let's put this on this now. Keep it here, leave it. And now we're gonna blend this one, okay?
Baby, can we put that there,
So
Mommy?
now we have to mix this one. This is egg white.
Yeah.
Look. You need to be very careful, right? No. You do like this.
Is that enough?
No, we need to do more.
Is that enough?
I want to put sugar a little bit. Keep doing it. Only with one hand.
I do it.
Okay. Only with one hand. Use one hand.
Is that enough?
More sugar.
Put lemon?
And this is lemon juice.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
One half.
That's enough, Sasha. Mommy, close it, okay?
Is that enough?
Yeah.
That's fluffy, yeah?
It's so
Fluffy!
fluffy, and we need to make this
I
fluffy
want to make it cushion fluffy like that. This
for
now.
the perfect cake. Yeah, we always need to
And-
make the egg white very fluffy.
Can we crack an egg?
Now we got to mix this one more time.
Oh, yeah. And I'm going to put that over here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, I want to put it. And I'll mix it.
Okay.
But it's too high. Daddy need to help me. But together spin it, yeah?
Mm.
And that's the teamwork, yeah?
That's a teamwork, yeah.
And I'm going to put this also.
What's that?
This.
Mommy, okay, okay, baby.
Aww.
Okay.
And
Now, Saksha, what we need to do
put
is...
it.
Wait a second.
This
Let's
is
mix this all first.
the...
down.
There's some chocolate a little bit, yeah?
यस्तो गर्ने अनि यसलाई चाहिँ यहाँ राख्ने मम्मीले यहाँ तल हाल्छु ओके
Oh my god.
like this
Ew, smell my nose.
oh sorry dear
I do it, okay?
so slowly गर so slowly okay slowly mate no baby not like that
Oh.
you got to do it very slowly otherwise the cake will not be fluffy like this.
And then we need to do, but when finished lobby, and then we need to very fast.
No,
Oh.
we can't do very fast with this.
Why?
Otherwise, it will not be fluffy. Okay, mommy already
And
said.
mommy and your friend don't like it.
Yeah.
And friends, yucky. Yeah. And friends, make another cake oneself. Yeah. Yeah, mommy.
Mommy's friends.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
I'm thinking a little bit.
So,
But I
yeah.
like, yeah.
Mommy's friends. They want to meet you. Mommy's friends.
Okay, can we go? Can we go with friends?
Yeah, we're gonna make the cake first, and we're gonna go
And
Take them.
And can I play for 1 second?
with them.
Yeah.
Of course.
Can I play hide and seek?
Of
And
course.
can I play the baby?
We're gonna go.
Let's see the baby.
Baby.
Yeah.
Where is the baby, bro?
Hey, that's a wolf.
Oh, sorry. So
Whoa.
this is 8-inch cake tin.
Oh yeah.
You just watch mommy, okay? You can do it next time, okay?
Yeah. That just a bit a little help for you though, yeah?
Yes, you're my little
And
helper.
can you put it in the oven?
Of course.
Yeah, I will put it in the oven.
Okay.
Watch me this.
Carefully. Yeah, Matty, yeah, Matty. Slowly. Good job. Now close the door.
I'll do it, okay?
Okay. Well done.
It's ready now.
Not yet.
Like
Thank you, my little helper.
you need to do some more hard work.
No, it's okay. Thank you. You can rest now, okay?
I need to do more hard work to be big.
You want to be... you want to do more housework?
Yeah.
Oh, dear. Yeah.
A.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. M-U-M.
N. And then monkey one again.
Monkey one, yeah.
N.
E.
E.
N.
H.
N.
M. E.
S.
S.
Yeah, that's enough.
And how?
Hmm?
There's two friends.
What do you mean two friends, baby?
Two friends you have. Please.
E. L. Here.
Okay.
Have you written L?
I get that your friends.
You wanna give that to my friends? Are you making card for my friends?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so sweet. I think they will love it, Saksha.
I make a rainbow sun.
Rainbow sun.
Look, you everyone.
That's a nice one. You want me to spell it for you?
Mario was.
Show me the card you made for aunties. Whoa, Sakshamले यहाँ आन्टीहरूलाई बनाएको card. Show the lovely sun. Oh, rainbow sun. Dun, dun, dun. Open it. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
1, 3, 4. No. 10, 5,
Oh.
10, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3,
No, 6,
2,
5.
1, go!
Yay! Mama's friends, I love you. Oh, wow. Nice. So nice. We'll give it together, okay?
It's a magic word to say the cake.
Excuse me,
It's
baby.
a magic word to say the cake.
Huh?
It's a magic word to say the cake.
The cake.
That's a magic word.
Please.
It's fun.
It's not burn. It's ready. Chocolates all ready. Black forest बनाउँदा चाहिँ यही गर्दा हात दुख्छ कि यो हुन्छ नि माथिबाट त्यो हाल्ने चकलेट बनाउँदा Our cream is all ready. Saljam is having his haircut. Saljam तेरो मम्मीलाई अगाडि खजल काट्नुपर्छ
naughty cat.
Naughty cat. Yes, baby.
That's more. I think it's coming now. I think it's a house, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
It's in that house. It's this way. That's way. Not far away.
Yeah.
It's just close at us.
Mm-hmm. Hi, guys.
And we're making chocolate cake. Chocolate cake. In the world. Mama.
Sure.
I cracked our eggs.
Okay, mom, the crack or suck the baby eggs.
The 2 eggs is left.
Oh, that's for the brunch that mama's gonna make now.
Garden. The naughty cat. The naughty cat is there. In the house.
Cup of tea, Annie. Oregano, chocolates. Oopsie. Saksham, come here. Look, Mama's cake. Buddha, you wanna know? I wanna show my cake. How is it, baby?
Good.
Thank you.
It's 100 fat. It's 100 good.
100 good? Thank you. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for now.
And you take it later.
Yes. How is it? Ta-da!
Nice.
Nice. Do you wanna try?
I want to try.
But we're gonna try there. Okay, but I'm gonna अलिकति ल्याइदिन्छु try गर्नलाई.
Mommy, can I see the name? It is the name.
It's getting better?
Getting better.
Wow. Thank you. So, हाम्रो black forest is all ready. It looks so good.
त्यसलाई त पुरा उसको यता नि लाने हो त्यो यस्तो भन्न ओइ महिमा ओ बुझ्नु यस्तो भन्न Happy birthday dear Rana. Happy birthday to you. यहाँ खोलाइदिन्छ अलिकति
चम्चाले खाइदिनु न एज फोर्क
होइन कहाँ त
त्यो पेपर प्लेट कहाँ गयो
हिप हिप हुर्रे
तिम्रो लागि छ
यो चाहिँ हाम्रो सेकेन्ड लर्ड छटपटे.
ओ हड्डी ल भन् फेरि अहिले यसो भन्
हाई गाइस, गुड मर्निङ. अहिले चाहिँ बिहानको 5 बजेको छ अनि म चाहिँ बुढाले खाजा बनाइदिनु लाग्यो. नर्मली चाहिँ म ब्रेकफास्ट बनाइदिने भनेर चाहिँ उठ्दिनँ, तर चाहिँ बुढा अब एक्सर्साइज जान लागेको बेलामा यताउता जानको बेला हुन्छ उठेर बनाइदिइरहेको हुन्छु. अनि आज चाहिँ मेरो बुढा अब इज गोइङ आउट फर फ्यु विक्स अनि गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ म चाहिँ खाजा बनाइदिन आँटेको बुढालाई बिहानको. म ल्याइदिन्छु Let's brush your teeth. Hi guys, good morning. आज मेरो काम छ कि oh my god त्यो हप्तामा 1-2 दिन काम हुने पनि बुढा भयो भने यस्तो झ्याउ हुन्छ अहिले मेरो बुढा बाहिर जानुभएछ नि त अनि गर्दा अहिले बिहानको 5:50 गएको छ होइन अनि गर्दा म चाहिँ उठ्ने बित्तिकै रेडी भएँ अनि बाबुलाई म रेडी गराउँदैछु किनभने बाबुलाई ड्रप गरेर चाहिँ अनि म चाहिँ काममा जाने हो कि अनि हेर्नु न बिचार सानो wake up come on baby mommy will help you lah and we get late Sandy late हुन्छ mom will help you okay keep on what happened
It's my birthday.
Today?
Yeah.
No, not yet. Nah, come on, let's brush it. So, come here.
I didn't want to do
Huh?
that.
Come on. You deal with it, Simon. Come on. Come on. Good job. You know, it's 6:45 बाट सुरु हुन्छ कि त्यहाँ लिटल सेन्समा अनि मैले अलिक छिटो उठाएको किन मलाई थाहा थियो यस्तै गर्छ भनेर कि बिचरा अनि फेरि खाजा नि अरूले खुवाउनु पऱ्यो नि त मलाई चाहिँ बरु अलिकति छिटो उठायो भने चाहिँ अलिकति उस हुन्छ भनेर यिनीहरू गुड जब This side? What do you want to eat for your breakfast? Would you like porridge? Spit?
What do I think?
We'll change your clothes. Sasha,
Yours is red.
yeah, we're gonna change your clothes. Don't worry about it. Okay.
Oh, stop.
La. Okay. Aye. Now sit here, and mom's gonna make you breakfast. Okay? Ow. झन् त कहिले पनि ससेज खान्छु भन्दैन है आज झन् त्यो छिटो जानुपर्ने दिनमा ससेज रेगी खान्छु भने तर म छिटो छिटो बनाइदिएँ एटलिस्ट के भए पनि खाएर जान्छ यति बिहान भनेर अनि स्न्याक्सहरू चाहिँ म यिनीहरू प्याक गर्दैछु हजुर नो इट्स नट ल हिँड बेबी कम अन
What is it? It's falling or cloak.
इज इट
Yeah.
म चाहिँ भर्खरै कामबाट आइसकेछु अनि मैले सक्षमलाई पनि पिक गरिसकेको छु सक्षमलाई चाहिँ सक्षमको आथेले निकिदीले हेरिदिनु भएको थियो कि आज आफ्टर स्कुल अनि आउने बित्तिकै फेरि अलिअलि साग रोप्नु भएको थियो नि त मम्मीले अनि कस्तो मजाले सानो ठाउँ भने हरियो भुरेर कस्तो मजाको भएछ कि अनि मन नमानेर फेरि आफू थाकेर आएको तर फेरि आज टेन्सन गर्नु थियो नि त त्यही पनि भनेर फेरि त्यहाँ सागमा पानी हालेको कि एकछिन अनि सक्षम फेरि पानीमा खेल्यो अनि बाबुलाई नुहाइदिन्छु अनि म नुहाएर बाबुलाई सुताएर चाहिँ आइडोन्ट नो भोक लाग्छ चक्लेट बनाएर खाने कि चौचक बनाएर खाने आइडोन्ट नो यो अखबारे वाइवाईको चाहिँ यो सुटकेस खालको हुँदो रहेछ कि So look at mommy. Good morning, banana. Banana.
Good morning.
Ramsam, banana.
Good morning, mommy.
Good morning. On the.
Yeah.
Good morning, mommy.
Good morning. Mommy, give me milk.
Are you
Pretend
baby?
milk.
Pretend milk. As a Sakshimi doesn't want scooter, really. Walking got a January school.
Today they're excited. Today excited day, mommy.
Exciting day today.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
And we're watching.
Hi, Saksham is back from school.
Mommy,
And
look at me. Everyone look at me.
Come, you come here.
Everyone look at me. Everyone look. Look.
Oh my god, सोफाको माथि जम्प हान्न पाएको छ अरू के छ र सक्षमलाई होइन एनिवेज हामी चाहिँ यो वक जान आँटेको म अनि के भन्छ अरे सक्षम अनि चाहिँ यता मेरो छिमेकी बहिनी अनि थाप दिदी हामी चाहिँ के भन्छ अरे वक जान आँटेको अनि वी आर अल रेडी सक्षम हाई गर न
Hi, boo.
हाई एभ्रीवन
Hi, boo, everyone.
सक्षम पोलाइटली
Hi, everyone.
जाऊ न त टच गर्न मिल्छ सिस्टर जाऊ टच गर्न सक्यो गो
Hey.
बिस्तारै साइडबाट खुट्टातिर नजाऊ साइडबाट टच गर्नु
ओह सक्षम डेन्जर ल इट्स ओके
Wait, that means it's there too.
कति धेरै पुपु सानो कस्तो मजाको भएछ पहिला डिसेम्बरमा आएको थियो है अहिले त हेर्नु न कति मजा
Sand.
नो सानो हिँड लेट्स गो कस्तो मजाको भएको है ए है ए सनफ्लावर पनि हो र
Mommy, what's that?
दिदी के गाउँ होइन यो गाउँ हो छैन विट होइन गाउँ भनेको वाउ सक्सँग दामी भिडियो आएको छ त है मजाको आएको है कस्तो मजाको देखेको है दिदी यहाँ त ड्रेस लगाएर आएर है यस्तरी गयो हेर्नु न कस्तो मजाको देखेको यो डाँडाको कुनामा आयौँ यहाँ हाई सक्छ हेलो सिस्टरहरू
हेलो
छोरीको तेल पनि लिएर आउनुहोस्
Mommy, well.
हामीले चाहिँ वाट वी फरगट दिदी तर दामी रहेछ हाम्रो चर्पण यहाँ
म यो सबै हाल्छु कुनै त खुस्मिता धेरै अमिलो
आधा पनि हाल्नुहोस् ओ यो चाहिँ सक्षमको ये सब भगाएको छ नि सक्षमले दिदी होइन हामी चाहिँ अहिले घर आइसक्यौँ सक्षम गुरुङ हेड सावर अनि हामी चाहिँ अब सुत्न आँटेको बाबा आर यु टायर्ड बाई गरिदियो बाई गाइस एकछिन बाबा वेट
Bye.
गुड नाइट एन्ड सी यु नेक्स्ट भ्लग बाई